As a homeowner in Nampa, Idaho, you understand that the real estate market can be competitive, and small upgrades can have a big impact on the value of your home. Among the many improvements you can make, installing energy-efficient windows is one of the most effective ways to boost your property's value while enhancing its comfort and sustainability. Nampa's climate, which includes hot summers and frigid winters, makes energy-efficient windows a smart investment. Here's how installing energy-efficient windows can increase your home's value and provide long-term benefits for you and your family. Lower utility bills appeal to buyers. One of the biggest factors that potential buyers look at when considering a new home is the cost of utilities. In Nampa, where winter temperatures can dip below freezing and summer highs often exceed 90 degrees Fahrenheit, heating and cooling costs can add up quickly. If your home has old, drafty windows, buyers may be concerned about high energy bills, which can deter them from making an offer. Energy-efficient windows help to significantly reduce heating and cooling costs by providing better insulation. These windows feature advanced glazing technologies, such as double or triple pane glass, that trap air between the panes, helping to regulate the indoor temperature. With energy-efficient windows, your home becomes more comfortable year-round, and your utility bills will drop. Potential buyers are increasingly looking for homes with energy-efficient features because they recognize the long-term savings these upgrades provide. Homes with lower utility costs are more attractive to buyers, and homes with energy-efficient windows often sell faster and at higher prices than those without. By installing energy-efficient windows, you're making your home more appealing to a wider pool of buyers, which can lead to a quicker sale and a higher sale price. Enhanced curb appeal and aesthetic value. New windows do more than just improve your home's energy efficiency. They can also enhance its curb appeal. Windows are one of the first things potential buyers notice when they approach your home, so upgrading to stylish, energy-efficient windows can make a significant difference in how your home is perceived. Energy-efficient windows come in a variety of styles and materials, from sleek, modern frames to more traditional options. By choosing the right design, you can complement the architectural style of your home, whether it's a contemporary design or a classic ranch. Many energy-efficient windows are available in attractive materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or wood-clad, offering both functionality and aesthetic appeal. When you upgrade to high-quality, well-designed windows, your home will look more polished and updated, which can raise its value in the eyes of prospective buyers. Long-term durability and low maintenance. Another reason energy-efficient windows increase a home's value is their durability and low maintenance. Older windows, especially those made from wood, often require frequent upkeep such as repainting, resealing, or repairing due to the wear and tear caused by the weather. In Nampa, with its harsh winter conditions and intense summer sun, these older windows can easily deteriorate. Modern energy-efficient windows, on the other hand, are designed to withstand the elements with minimal maintenance. Vinyl and fiberglass windows, for example, are highly resistant to rot, warping, and fading. They are built to last longer and perform better over time. This means that new owners won't have to worry about costly repairs or constant maintenance, which makes the home more attractive and valuable. In addition, these windows come with long-term warranties, which gives prospective buyers peace of mind. Knowing that the windows are built to last for decades without significant wear and tear adds value to your home, as buyers will see it as a low-maintenance, long-term investment. Increased home comfort. Energy-efficient windows don't just help with energy savings, they also improve the overall comfort of your home. If your current windows allow drafts in the winter or let in excessive heat in the summer, the indoor climate can be uncomfortable. This can create hot or cold spots in your home, making it less enjoyable to live in. By installing energy-efficient windows, you'll improve the temperature regulation in your home. These windows are designed to reduce heat transfer, keeping the warm air inside during the winter and blocking the intense sun in the summer. This results in a more stable indoor climate, ensuring that every room in your home remains comfortable year-round. Potential buyers will see this as an added benefit, as it translates to a more pleasant living environment. Energy-efficient windows also contribute to better noise insulation, reducing the amount of outside noise entering the home. In busy areas like Nampa, where traffic or neighborhood activity might be a concern, noise reduction can be an attractive feature. Environmental appeal and green living. Many homebuyers today are looking for ways to reduce their carbon footprint and live more sustainably. Energy-efficient windows are a key feature of green homes because they reduce energy consumption, which leads to fewer greenhouse gas emissions. If you're looking to attract eco-conscious buyers, installing energy-efficient windows can help position your home as environmentally friendly. In Nampa, where energy costs can fluctuate due to extreme temperatures, showing that your home is designed to conserve energy and reduce environmental impact can be a powerful selling point. Eco-friendly homes are becoming increasingly popular, and energy-efficient windows are an important part of this trend. By installing energy-efficient windows, you demonstrate that your home is up to date with modern environmental standards, which could increase its appeal to buyers interested in green living. Conclusion. Installing energy-efficient windows in your Nampa home is one of the best investments you can make to increase your property's value. From lowering utility bills and enhancing curb appeal to improving comfort and reducing maintenance, new windows provide a wide range of benefits that make your home more attractive to potential buyers. Additionally, energy-efficient windows are a key selling point in today's real estate market, where buyers are increasingly prioritizing sustainability and long-term savings. If you're looking to increase your home's value and make it more appealing to buyers, consider upgrading to energy-efficient windows. The benefits are clear: lower costs, enhanced beauty, and higher resale value.